We have this beautiful area off the back of our house that we refer to as the perch. We've got a fireplace out there. We had some Adirondack chairs out there, but it just really wasn't what we wanted. So we moved the chairs that we had out there to an area that we call the hideaway. We found these chairs at Costco by Leisure Line, and what they are is a rocking chair that is a composite material that has a 40-year warranty. So today we're going to put those together and show you what they look like around the perch. We unboxed the items and laid everything out, and for this you're also going to need a drill that has a Phillips bit and also a hex head bit. Nice thing is this kind of comes somewhat pre-assembled. So we started with the arm laying down, putting the seat part in, getting that in place before we started adding the other pieces. Kind of did a little pre-assembly here. Mainly this was to keep things in order so I could easily screw in. So once we got this kind of partially together, then we grabbed the screws. I started with hand tightening the screws in, and the good thing about this is the directions tell you which screws to use where. But also I set the torque setting on my drill to make sure that they went in and they were snug, but they were not over tightened and breaking loose. They do provide you with a tool in the box if needed. One tip I would give when you're putting in these lower slats, you're using a Phillips head screw, so just be gentle with this because you could easily strip it if you're not careful. The last piece on each side is actually the rocker arm, and if you look at it, you want the long side to be in the back. So once we get this in, get this secured, then we're going to flip the chair over and secure everything on the other side just like we did the first side. So gently flip everything over without pulling it apart like I just did, and your life will be a little easier. Once you get it flipped over and you get it reconnected in the right configuration, then basically you're just going to go ahead and screw everything in just like you did on the other side. Once you've completed that, it's time to check it out, make sure it works good, and then get it placed where you need it. So for this particular project, we ended up doing 6 rocking chairs. As you can see, I still have 2 more to go at this point in the video. So we were very impressed with how these turned out and how they look. They really are very, very sturdy, and they're just very, very durable. They're heavy enough that the wind does not blow them away, and they're just a great addition to what we have back in the perch area. These chairs from Costco are really nice quality, and they weren't that hard to put together. The slats for the seat and the back were already put together, so when we put them together it was just really quite easy. Definitely would highly recommend these for your outdoor space. Now, I may change my mind in August when it's 105 degrees and I'm scorching my butt sitting on it, but as of right now, I'm very happy. Remember, buying things at Costco makes your life easier, and all you have to do is put them together to be free. We'll see you in the next project.